Your Frisbee still sits by the back door, but no one's here to play with it anymore. I still think you'll be here when I get home from work, but I walk into this empty house and my empty heart hurts. Sounds foolish to say, the only thing that gets me through is trying to live my days a little more like you. Stop and smell the roses, be grateful to be outside, be happy every morning, it's another morning you're alive. Forgive and let go, still play when you get old. Don't judge others, just love each other. You gave me a brand new start when you showed me the world through a dog's heart. You were there when she broke my heart the last time, and you never cared when we were on our last dime. You buried all my secrets way down deep with your bones. You loved me for who I was when people would come and go. This couch wasn't built for two, but it was big enough for me and you. Fur on the floor is what I'd pay to see you every day. Stop and smell the roses, be grateful to be outside, be happy every morning, it's another morning you're alive. Forgive and let go, still play when you get old. Don't judge others, just love each other. You gave me a brand new start when you showed me the world through a dog's heart. You made me laugh, you made me smile, and at the end you made me cry. When I had to kiss your head, I had to tell you goodbye. Now I stop and smell the roses, I'm grateful to be outside, I'm happy every morning, it's another morning I'm alive. I forgive, I let go, I'll still play when I get old. Don't judge others, just love each other. You gave my life a brand new start when you showed me the world. Showed me the world, showed me the world through a dog's heart. When you showed me the world through a dog's heart.